Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sam. Right, so today we're going to be looking at the news, right? What we usually do on this channel is to go through all cryptocurrency news and bring out the ones that are important for you, right? Yep. So first on the news, okay, I think we should just let's check the market to see how the market is doing. So Bitcoin got to 41,200 exactly because I had a sell order around 41,200, and then the sell order closed this morning. Of course, closing profit. And if you want to learn how to make money through trading, we have a course, right? This is the where's the course? Yep, this is the course right here. I want to learn how to make money through trading. That is the course you need to take. So Bitcoin touched 41,200, and but right now we're still above 40,000, which is good news. So I'm looking forward to hitting 50,000 anytime soon. Ethereum is over $3,000. Solana is over $100. Luna is below $100. Avalanche is around $77. So there's a huge relationship between Avalanche, Luna, and Bitcoin. If you're following us on Telegram, if you're in our Telegram group and you're following me on Twitter, you should know about that information. I'm not sharing that right now. Yep. So also there was an experiment done today, right? About Luna, no, about Avax, right? Avalanche and Telos. Let's look for Telos. Telos. So Telos is on. Let's see where Telos is on CoinMarketCap. Telos is ranked 269 on CoinMarketCap, while Avalanche is I think Avalanche is in top 10. So there was an experiment, although before the experiment was done, Telos is exactly number 10. I already knew the result because I've been using Telos for a long time. So this is the experiment that was done today. So someone carried out an experiment. Let me make it bigger. Yep, I hope our screen is still recording. So Telos versus Avalanche speed test. So the transaction is going on. It's getting clearer. So MetaMask, prompting MetaMask and confirm. So we're trying to see how long it takes to, perform a transaction on Avalanche versus how long, as you can see, it's pending right here, versus how long it takes to perform that same transaction on the Telos blockchain. Oh yeah, it's getting clearer. All right. So this is 22 seconds, 23 seconds, 24 seconds, 26, and it's still pending. In case you want to know why, okay, now it has swapped. That's about around 33 seconds. Now, in case you want to know why it takes longer for the transaction, so now we're going to move into Telos, doing the same transaction on Telos. So the transaction has been sent, and the transaction is about to be confirmed. Click confirm. It's going to take maximum of 5 seconds. 1, 3, exactly 3 seconds. So that was the experiment I was done today. Let me confirm we actually captured that in our recording. All right, so we captured that. So if you want to know why it's like that, make sure you watch this video right here. The answers are in there. All right, so moving on to some other news. How Avax changes the transportation sector with blockchain technology. The summary of this news is a company called Avax is trying to bring blockchain technology into transportation system where vehicles will be tracked and you can actually make transactions with vehicles and with your mobile app, right? So it brings about more transparency. All right, that's actually a solution that will be deployed first in Africa, and if you're interested, make sure you visit their website. Moving on. Ireland bans political crypto donations on foreign interference fears. Right. So you see what happened in was it in Ukraine? in Ukraine, yeah, where people donated millions of dollars, right, to is it either Ukraine or was it Ukraine or Canada? So, anyways, one of those countries got donations. So, countries are now scared of their opponents, right, getting huge donations from foreign bodies, right? But that goes to show you how how important crypto is, right? Because it's borderless and can be sent anywhere, anytime. And but moving on, Monero community reaches consensus for July hard fork. Just in case you're not aware, of course, if you're not in our Telegram group, you might not be aware, except you're a trader yourself. Monero has been doing extremely well. As I've made some nice amount of profits from trading Ethereum alone within the Ethereum, Monero alone within the last 2 weeks, right? You want to know so much about Monero, make sure you visit our website so that I can get, or chat me up. My WhatsApp number is in the description of this video so that I can have access to our Telegram group, right? So Monero is a private coins, and they've been working on a hard fork, right? And they've reached a consensus for the hard fork, and this just goes to show that the community is working, and Monero is going to keep getting better. I expect Monero to hit $1,000 anytime soon. Yep, you want to know more about Monero, just visit our website right here. The link is in the description. It is in the description below. Right, the name of the website is Blockchain University Teachable. Moving on, one day I was just going through TradingView, and I saw that Decreed price surged by 45%. I was like, what in the world is going on? And the reason why the price went up is because of a hard fork. So hard forks happen sometimes when a cryptocurrency project is trying to upgrade, right? Either most times upgrade. So the upcoming Decreed hard fork also plans to increase Decreed rewards for POS, which is proof of stake validators, from 30% to 80%. That means if you're a validator in the Decreed network, you're going to have more profits doing the validator's job you're doing on Decreed. So that's some good news right here. Of course, what I just mentioned is part of the upgrade that will happen in Decreed. Moving on, GitHub suspends accounts of Russian developers linked to sanctioned firms. Now, yes, now this is a big problem that needs to be solved. I remember I was working with a company some few years back. What they wanted to do was to build a decentralized Git, right? Decentralized GitHub. But unfortunately, they ran out of money and then couldn't continue the project. But we have many thousands of crypto projects that uses GitHub also. So if you're screaming for decentralization and you're using centralized platforms like GitHub, then there's a problem. We need an alternative. And let me know if you know of any alternative. Let's talk about it in our next video. All right. So in some other news, Russian bankers reportedly want to outlaw non-custodial crypto wallets. Now, this has a good news and a bad news. Now, the good news is, for non-custodial, okay, first of all, what's a non-custodial crypto wallet? So a non-custodial crypto wallet is a crypto wallet where banks and governments cannot seize your money. Yep. So despite the fact that you're using a cryptocurrency that cannot be seized, doesn't mean the cryptocurrency cannot be seized. Yep. So if you have a cryptocurrency in a wallet where the owners of the wallet have access to your crypto wallet, then the government and banks are going to give you support. But if you're in a decentralized crypto wallet where you have your private keys, and the owners of the wallet and even the banks and governments cannot have access to your cryptocurrencies, then you will receive no service through the banks. And I expect this to happen to come over to some cryptocurrency to some other countries. All right, guys, that's where we draw the curtain for today. If you learned anything, make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. All right, so we'll continue. We have some more news to share, but of course, subscribe to the channel so that I can be notified, and also join our Telegram group. My WhatsApp number is in the description of this video. See ya.